Hi everyone, I'm Volkan Yetilmezer. Today we will learn how to use ZY Play with Zhiyun Smooth Q2. First of all, if Smooth Q2 is already paired with a different device, or if you are having problems connection when you update, there is a small settings you need to make. Enter the Bluetooth settings in the phone menu, then select Smooth Q2 and press Forget this device. Then press Smooth Q2 and repair. If this is your first time to connect, find Smooth Q2 in the Bluetooth menu and pair with the phone. Open ZY Play on the phone. If another model is selected, select Smooth Q2 from the left or right or top of the menu above. Then press Connect Now and connect. Then press Enter Now. Connection is established. You can see the connection is established on the blue Bluetooth icon. Next to this icon, you can see the battery status of the gimbal. If you are in photo mode, you can take a photo by pressing the red button on Smooth Q2. You can switch the different shooting modes by scroll down or up the screen. When you switch to video mode, you can start recording video by pressing the red button. Press the red button again to stop. In slow motion mode, if your phone has a slow motion feature, you can start slow motion shooting by pressing the red button. There are two types of time-lapse modes, one fixed and other moving. The fixed mode, the gimbal doesn't move. At the bottom of the time interval section, you can set how long the interval is taken. Pressing the red button will start time-lapse shooting. Moving time-lapse section, you can do moving time-lapse. You can make moving time-lapse in 4 different modes. And you can also repeat the previous time-lapse. And you can make time-lapse by changing focus in POV mode. Finally, you can shoot vertigo in 4 different modes. Select the first mode and press Next. From the time interval section, select the time interval to shoot. From the duration section, select the total time taken to complete the shoot. You can save your settings in this section. If you don't want the display to remain on continuously and to save the battery power. In the Generate section, you can see the total length of the video to be made. Press Start to start time-lapse. Last shooting mode, Panoramic Photography. In this mode, when you press the red button, you get 180-degree image. If you want to return to main menu, press this icon. You can view the photos and videos you have taken by pressing this icon and save them to the phone. You can return by pressing the icon at the top of left. By pressing this icon, you can switch to the front camera. If you want to apply a filter to a photo or video, you can select a filter after pressing this icon. You can use the B2 camera if you want. If you want to use object or fast tracking, you need to connect ZY Play. When the connection is established, press the icon at the bottom right. On the screen, select the area you want to follow by pressing and holding the screen. Object tracking will start. To cancel tracking, press the same icon again. Let me talk about the icons on the left. When you press the settings icon, you can change the resolution and FPS, change the zoom sensitivity, turn the image stabilization feature on or off, open the grid, change the science modes according to your shoot. You can change the name of Smooth Q2 and see the software version. You can also live streaming by pressing this icon. My advice, always live streaming with RTMP. You can turn on HDR, shoot with delay, and finally you can turn flash on and off. If you want to calibrate Smooth Q2, follow these steps. Settings, switch to normal camera, settings again, calibration, and 6-side calibration. You can calibrate by the following the on-screen steps. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye.